We need to remove the old switch box first. Remove the top screws. Then disconnect the micro switch wires. Take off the cover. Remove the side fixings. Rotate the switch box counterclockwise, then pull it out firmly. Disconnect the red wires from the manual switch and micro switch. Then remove the screws, securing the yellow-green grounding wire. Take out the old switch box. Install the new switch box. Reconnect the red wires. Each wire connector has two red wires coming from the manual switch and the micro switch. Just remove one red wire from each connector and plug it back in. Do not put both red wires from the same connector together. Firmly secure the yellow-green grounding wire. Attention! Make sure the screw is fully tightened until it cannot be turned any further, otherwise electrical leakage may occur. Finally, reinstall the remaining parts.